Hi guys, RIB Robert Ian Bonnick, inspirational speaker, inspirational coach and author of Soul Survivor, How an Abandoned Child Went From Nothing to Everything, published by New Holland. Now, if you're watching this, it means that you've come to the end. We've come to the end. We would have had an incredible live event last night as we did. It was amazing. Thank you so much for all of those who attended. Very, very powerful. We broke that down of exactly how you turn your story into a book, right? We went through the key steps, answered some of the key questions, and gave you some key strategies to start today, right? Not to get stuck, but to get your message out there. Because at the end of the day, that's what we're doing, right? We're here to empower the world with your message. We're here to really shake things up. We're here to create something which is written exactly how you want it to be. And it's not manipulated or amended in any way, shape, or form, right? That's what we want to do. And for those of you who want to really, turn this and build your brand with this and increase your presence because you understand the power of brands. People are brands and brands are people, right? And what makes a difference is your brand footprint, your brand birthmark, as Rhonda Swan from Unstoppable Brands calls it, the brand being your birthmark, right? So we went through all of that yesterday. And the main part of it was to give you the offer, right? Now, we've had 21 days, given 21 days of incredible content, right? 21 days of incredible tips. We created a Facebook group where there's some amazing feedback and content within that group to really empower you on your journey, all right? Now yesterday, what I let you know was a one-on-one coaching with me, that I walk you through the process, right? Usually it takes 3 months to write a book, anywhere from 3 to 6 months, 3 months say, and what I did is that for you, which I'm just letting you know now, the first five people, right, put up their hands, get a massive discount, a massive incentive, a massive bonus, right? Which was slashing the rate that I usually charge, right? So we slashed that 30-40% straight off the bat. We doubled the length of engagement that I usually commit. So as I mentioned before, 3 months is usually it. We've doubled that to 6 months. That's all included, right? And the branding package, as I mentioned before, if you're one of those who want to take your brand to the next level, right? What we've done is that with my PR partner, incredibly powerful, incredibly dynamic, they're a global powerhouse, right? What we've done is that we've created a situation where that discovery call is for free, right? You need to fill out a form first. We make sure that we're aligned and we see where your brand is at before that happens. And then we work out a roadmap, a plan to get you from where you are now to where you want to go to, right? So that's all included. What else did we include? So with the publisher, I have two very strong contacts with the two most powerful publishers in the world. Does it guarantee a book deal? No, it does not. But it means that we're on the cutting edge. It means that we're aligned to exactly what is needed. And I would do my level best to ensure that that's what we get, right? So that's very powerful. Now, we've already spoken about the free discovery call that we're including as part of this. And that discovery call is basically wherever you're at in your journey, whether you are, not knowing where to start, whether you already know where to start, but you don't know where to finish. Maybe you finish, but you can't put it down, right? So what we do in that discovery call is we break down exactly the steps of what you need to do to succeed, right? So we've got that included. We've got the cheat sheet. That's all included. The cheat sheet, breaking down exactly what you need to do from A to B, A to Z, not to B, A to Z, exactly what you need to do, exactly what you need to visualize. For example, we go into visualizing, okay? How important it is to visualize your success. All right, so we go through all of this in our group, which brings on to our group, Turn Your Story into a Book. That group is phenomenal, growing very, very quickly, very, very fast. Gives you that interaction, a weekly or bi-weekly call, right? Which gives you the most up-to-date information of what you need to do to succeed, right? And also gives you that cross-pollination. People in the same boat as you, and sharing tips and tricks and so on to get you across and through any challenges that you might be facing. And finally, access to Speak Up Monday. Now, Speak Up Monday is a platform which I created. We're up to number 63 now, 63, interviewed as a Q&A style, some of the most powerful brains and minds not only in Bali where we are now, but all around the world, right? We give you access to that. And then going forward, if you get into the higher group, then what we do is that we give you access to actually be interviewed on that as well, which is a great platform for you to expand and grow, right? So now all of this is accessible to you. The first 5, right? The first 5 who either send me a private message, you've got that, Robert Ian Bonnick, or through this group, turn up on Speak Up Monday, or it could be turn your story into a group, that page, send a private message there, or directly via email, probably the best one, which is RIB, that's Romeo Indigo Bravo, RIB, Romeo Indigo Bravo, at robertianbonnick.com. So RIB at robertianbonnick.com. Last time, RIB, Romeo Indigo Bravo, at robertianbonnick.com. All right, so now this is just a short video today, just to, again, thank you guys for tuning into the live event, to give you a chance, if you missed it, to catch it on replay, which is probably down here or over there or up there, wherever, whichever format you're viewing this on. But check that out, click on that link, watch the replay, get amongst it, and again, we've got the first 5 are going to get an incredible deal worth thousands of dollars, okay? That's an incredible deal you're going to get. So look, are you a person who's going to be stopped, or are you a person who's going to take action, right? And actions always speak louder than words. If you're not ready to take action right now, that's okay. Just make sure you're in the group, make sure you're plugged in, make sure you can see what's happening. There's a free discovery call that I'll also include just for you being part of the group, all right? So make sure you're in that group. Turn your story into a book, and you'll have access to all of that material, all of that content. Now those 21 videos you've got in there, now soon I'll be turning those videos into an online course with some bonus material and details, instructions put in. Right now it's free. It's free for you. So if you're watching this from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or some other format, make sure you join the group and take advantage of that incredible value that you've got in there that will get you on your way, get you started to turning your story into a book and positively impacting the lives of tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, or billions of people. And I gave you the story of one of the clients I'm working with, Stephanie Rodriguez. Her mission is to positively impact the lives of 1 billion. You heard it right, 1 billion people by 2025. She has an amazing story. Another 2 which I was advising, Didi and Dwi Lestari, Matilda Dwi Lestari, the first 2 Indonesian women to climb the highest mountain on 7 continents. So the 7 highest mountains in the world, effectively, including Everest. Right? We're talking about Marsha, shared a story about Marsha, Jamaican lady, incredible, powerhouse in Jamaica. You know, she's raised hundreds of millions of dollars for Jamaican charities, dealing with poverty. Powerful, powerful woman. You know, another woman, Christina, Spanish, gifted, brilliant, intelligent, powerful woman, right? Working with her. Having another call today with Marianne, Switzerland. She's in Switzerland right now. You know, another incredible woman, okay? So there's lots of incredible people out there with incredible stories, right? You are one of those, if you're watching this, it's by no coincidence, right? You're getting a tap on the shoulder from the universe, right? To step up and release your content to the world. And what I'm here to do is to act as that facilitator to get you from A to B or A to Z in the fastest possible time in the most beautiful, powerful way. And that's what we're doing here today. All right? So feel free to share this as well. If you have someone who you know, they're starting the book, they're stuck, they don't know where to even begin, or they're somewhere in the middle and they just don't know where to go from here, right? Or they're at the end and don't know how to put it down, don't know how to close the chapter. Pass this on to them. Pass this on to them. All right? All right, guys, that's it from me for now. RIB, Robert Ian Bonnick, signing out. Great to see you and look forward to seeing you, speaking with you soon. And on the one-on-one coaching level, that's the best way. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.